Cooking oils: what to choose. Everyone is aware of the foods to eat to improve health, but how we prepare the food can be just as important. With so many oils and butter products claiming to be the best, it's difficult to know which ones to use and which to avoid. 1. Canola oil. Canola oil is a popular oil, with many doctors claiming that it can reduce the risk of heart disease. When compared to other oils, the oil is low in saturated fat, high in monounsaturated fat, and has the best fatty acid composition. Canola oil can be used for sauté, marinating, and even low-temperature stir-frying. It has a mild flavor, making it ideal for foods with a lot of spices. Unlike other oils, this one will not alter the flavor of your food. 2. Olive oil. Olive oil has a distinct flavor and a high concentration of heart-healthy ingredients. The oil is high in monounsaturated fat, which helps lower cholesterol and lowers the risk of cancer. It's also high in antioxidants and has a long shelf life. Although it can be cooked, it is healthiest when eaten raw, such as with a salad or dipping sauce. When cooking with it, keep it in a low to medium heat setting and avoid high heat. 3. Butter. Butter is a food that has been around for a very long time. Butter tastes good and contains vitamin A and other fat-soluble vitamins like E, K, and even D. Butter is made from natural ingredients that have not been chemically or artificially processed. Butter can be used in cooking, baking, or as a spread. It goes well with creamy sauces, marinades, baked dishes, and even bread. 4. Margarine. Margarine was first introduced as a low-fat substitute for high-fat butter. However, when it was first developed, it was high in trans fat, a substance that we now know raises bad cholesterol. Margarine tastes good as a cooking oil, it's lower in fat than most oils and butter, and it's very easy to spread. It comes in a variety of forms and is a good source of vitamin E. When it comes to cooking with oils, you have several options. There are many more than those listed here, though the ones listed above are the most popular. Eating healthy entails cooking healthy food, which is where your cooking oil comes into play. So tell us, what is your favorite cooking oil and what is your experience with? Encourage us and subscribe to our channel and activate the notifications. Like our video and write any remark or suggestion in the comments section. We will be glad to hear you. Thank you.